can't believe my own eyes. They're amazing. This is your chance to enjoy a more colorful life by subscribing.
This game sucks. What? Like, I'm curious to. Well, now that I've gone through all the dates, I actually can just like test. I haven't beaten it yet, but like.
Oh, dude.
Did you? Oh,
Dude, I don't know how it always happens. It happened the second I like put my head in my shoulder. Dude, you are playing with fire.
oh.
I think he.
You're burning.
I think he got burned. Oh no.
Wife! Oh, my sandwich! Get out of here, bitch! Fucking whore. You never loved me.
Okay, well that was weird. Literally didn't do anything. All I did was leave the call and join.
Oh, dude, I got some hair! What the fuck? Oh.
Yeah.
Man.
Is there a way to
Oh. Oh, that was bad. Oh, dude, the engine's out. Oh, that was rough.
That's bad.
Oh, God. Ooh, ooh, oh. Oh, God. Oh, baby. Oh, God. Oh, man.
Dude.
Oh.
You gotta eat some of those sausages or something.
Man. Oh! Oh!
This- okay.
Oh, somebody.
Actual silent
Oh.
movie.
Look at this shit. Dude, I'm above it. Oh!
Just like straight down.
Dude, I need a save. Here we go. No stopping at this gas station.
They picked the bad spot to set up.
Oh, that was a mechanic, dude. That's actually a pretty good spot on this road.
He's gonna have to tow it all the way up.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh! Oh!
You got time to think about this one.
Help me, Ian. Help me. Help
I don't
me.
think anybody can help you, man.
Oh. Oh. It's over. Oh!
Cactus decimated.
Oh, somebody, oh!
Set that wheel into low Earth orbit.
Somebody, oh! He needs some milk. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh. That is. Oh, brother. That is actually cataclysmic, dude. We've gone less than 1 FPS a second. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, oh. I like how it goes into, like, slow-mo, dude. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. Oh, not the bed. Come on. Oh. Oh, my God. It's out of here, dude. What the fuck? Oh, my. Oh, the dog. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 no. Wife. Wife. Oh, no. The quick.
Whoa! I
Oh.
thought you were gonna sink into the freaking floor forever.
Oh my God.
asleep again? Whatever. You know what? I think this is.
Okay, now I'm in God's hands now because I am
You are
off that
traveling.
road.
You're traveling so fast right now. Oh, never mind.
Oh God, what happened?
What?
happened? What?
I look away for literally
What
1
happened?
second.
What happened? Oh God! Oh fucking Christ! It just flipped. I hit nothing and it just flipped.
I need to call her very serious about all this.
Well. Oh! That was the closest I've ever gotten to going all the way down, bruh. Holy shit. I went like 80% of the way.
Do this thing.
It fell apart. It fell apart. Kane, I'm going so fast. Holy shit. Oh, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over!
Oh, how are you up in the air? No barrels.
Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. I don't even know what that last thing was.
Maybe it's just like not fully touching.
Oh, whoa! Oh no!
Perfect timing, kid.
Oh, Jesus.
Can I have diesel, please?
Oh! Oh no! Oh! Ow! Ow! Somebody! Oh!
Tray flip? Maybe?
Dude, I didn't even see where it went. I was texting while driving, Brody. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, God. I was just looking around. Holy shit. Oh, my God. This is a disaster. Oh, I died.
I actually sort of.
Jesus, dude, I can't compete with that. Oh, my God. What the hell?
Yeah, I'm losing like a minute here, but
Let's go. Take me back.
there's a no reset run.
Oh, man. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, man.
Yeah, I lost 25 seconds.
Alan Wesker.
Stop, dude. Stop it. Cut it out.
Billions.
You made me crash. Hope you're happy, dude.
Billions. I am. Billions.
You're a
But
bad-
where am I, man? I just want to get back to the yellow.
What happened? Oh, man. Oh, man. And I guess she did it again. But yeah, look at the meat truck. Imagine the smell. Oh, man. Oh, shucky ducks. Oh, this is
happening, bro.
this is bad. It's because of this whole thing.